So I was walking around a flea market, thrift store type place the other day, and I found something that caught my eye. I couldn't believe it. I had never seen anything like it before. It was a little glove, and I'm telling you, it's the smallest glove I've ever seen that was actually still yet a real glove. And I couldn't believe it. Here it is. Tiny little glove. I'll have to measure to see exactly what size it is. It doesn't say on here, but it's actually a real glove. Top, grain, cowhide, leather. Typically, the small T-ball gloves today, they're bigger than this, and they're made out of non-leather materials today. So to see something that was a real ball glove, professional model, you can kind of tell with the flat bottom, the era of this glove, really 1950s to 60s era style glove. Couldn't believe it, so I had to get it. It's flat, crunchy, hard, it's dirty, but it's still together. It's still in good shape for being so old. There's no considerable rips in the palm particularly, which is amazing. It's really crusty, but nothing ripped. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, see if I can get some new laces in it, get the color shining again, and who knows, maybe some kid, little kid will have his first catch with his glove once again. As far as the type of glove this is, the company is Hollander, Japanese company, sold gloves in America. You could buy them at Sears, places like that. Good value starter gloves, but real leather. And yeah, 50s to 70s was when they operated. You can't, but they don't exist anymore. Sears hasn't sold ball gloves in a long time. I don't even know, are they still a company? I don't even know. I think they went out or are going out, but anyway, I'm excited to get to work on this. Hope you enjoyed the video, and who knows, let me know if you want it, if you got a little kid. We'll see.